Okay, so now we will study angles. So what is meant by the angle? When two rays, when suppose ray AB and ray BC have common point B, and they are, suppose if they are joint at point B, ray AB and ray BC have common point B. So these two rays make an angle. This makes an angle. So that is called as angle. So in this lecture we are going to see types of angles. Types of angles. Types of angles. So there are so many types, several types are there of angle. So these types we are going to study in this video. So this video is important for 5th and above classes. In 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, all the classes, this video types of angle is very important. So we will start our angle point from first type is a zero angle. Zero angle. First type is a zero angle. Now zero angle means what? Its definition is that an angle of measuring 0 degree. An angle of measuring 0 degree is called as zero angle. So when we can say that angle, when two rays, suppose when we consider, suppose likewise here, suppose this is A, B, C. This is ABC angle. These are the two rays. When we close these two rays, suppose for example, like this way, again we close this ray, again we close, and one situation we found both the rays is lying on each other. That means what? A, B and C. All the two rays. Suppose for example C, when we can say that this is the two rays, two different rays, and when these two rays, we will close these two rays, and once at one situation we found that both the rays are lying on each other. That time we can say that this angle between two rays, there is no space or there is no gap between the two rays. That no gap is called as a zero angle, and that angle. So this is an example of zero, and this is the diagram of zero angle. This is a zero angle. When we can say that zero angle, when two rays lying on each other, that is called as a zero angle. The next time, and the measure of that angle is also zero. The next second type is an acute angle. Acute angle. Now the definition of acute angle is an angle of measuring between 0 degree and 90. An angle of measuring between 0 degree and 90 degree. मतलब acute angle ऐसे angles होते हैं जिसका measurement 0 और 90 के बीच में आता है. That means what? That angle का measurement, the measurement of angle is 10 degree, 5 degree. Suppose angle is 30 degree. So 30 degree is an example of acute angle. We can write the example. For example, its examples are 0.5 degree is the example of acute angle because it is greater than. Another definition is also there, acute angle. If the angle is more than 0 degree, if the angle is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, that kind of angle is called as acute angle. Another example, 10 degree acute angle, 30 degree acute angle, 89 degree is also acute angle. So these are the some examples of acute angle. Keep it in mind the definition, an angle of measuring between 0 degree and 90 degree. That means what? ऐसे एंगल जो 0 और 90 के बीच में आते हैं उसे कहते हैं acute angle. Third type is right angle. Right angle. So definition of right angle, an angle of measuring exactly 90 degree. An angle of measuring exactly 90 degree is called as right angle. That means what? Whatever angle is there and the measure of that angle is right angle, then this measurement is 90 degree. That means what? Angle is like this. When two rays are perpendicular to each other, then we can say this is the right angle. Another suppose example, this is the right angle. So the measurement of this angle is exactly 90 degree. When we measure by using the protector, when we measure this angle, this is exactly right angle. this angle are called as, and right angle indicates by this symbol. So this symbol indicates that measure of this angle is a right angle. For example, when we see the corner of this blackboard or green board, the corner of this green board is a right angle. Corner of this green board is a right angle. When we can see that ground, or when we see this right angle, this corner is also right angle, that side corner is also right angle, or that side corner is also right angle. Or when we see our notebook, or when we see our textbook, the textbooks, this is a textbook, and when we see this by using the protractor, when we measure the angle, this angle, this when we measure this corner by using the protractor, this is also the right angle. When we measure the windows corner, doors corner, or any example, that measures the 90 degree angle, and that is called as a right angle. Fourth type is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now, the definition of obtuse angle is that an angle of measuring between 90 degree and 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. An angle of measuring between 90 degree and 180 degree. मतलब ऐसा एंगल जिस एंगल का मेजरमेंट 90 से बड़ा होता है और 180 से छोटा होता है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? obtuse angle. For example, angle is like this. By diagram से हमने देखा, अगर इसका मेजरमेंट 100 suppose 20 है, so 120 this number comes between 90 and 180, so this is called as a obtuse angle. Another example, suppose 160 degree, 170 degree. These are the examples of obtuse angle. For example, 100 degree. 100 is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. 178 degree. Then 125 degree. These are the example of obtuse angle. We can write down so many examples of obtuse angle. So obtuse angle definition is that an angle of measuring between 90 degree and 180 degree. ऐसे एंगल जो 90 और 180 के बीच में आते हैं उसे कहते हैं obtuse angle. The next type, fifth number type, is a straight angle. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight angle. Now the name itself suggests that what is meant by the straight angle. The angle is straight. That angle is called as a straight angle. तो उसका मेजरमेंट क्या होता है? An angle of measuring exactly 180 degree. ऐसा एंगल, an angle of measuring 180 degree. ऐसा एंगल जिस एंगल का मेजरमेंट 180 होता है. अब 180 कैसे होता है देखो. Suppose एक रे ऐसी है and one more ray is there. That ray is straight. Suppose A, B and C. This is angle. Now this angle is a straight angle. It's a straight line. It's a straight line. So this angle indicates that this measurement indicates that 180 degree. Suppose we consider this line. Suppose हमने यहाँ इस point पे angle निकाला. यहाँ पे कौन सा angle फॉर्म होता है? So that measurement is 180 degree. So this 180 degree is called as a straight line angle, or you can also call it as a straight angle. An angle of measuring 180 degree. Okay, now we understood straight angle. Now next is a 6 number point is a reflex angle. 6 type. A reflex angle. Now what is meant by the reflex angle? Reflex angle means what? An angle of measuring between 180 degree and 360 degree. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मतलब ऐसा एंगल जो एंगल 180 डिग्री से बड़े होते हैं, मींस मोर देन स्ट्रेट एंगल, स्ट्रेट एंगल से ज्यादा, लेकिन वो एंगल क्या होते हैं 360 से, मतलब टोटल जो 360 का एंगल होता है सर्कल का उससे थोड़ा कम होते हैं, उसे कहते हैं स्ट्रेट रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. उसके जगह अगर हमने एग्जांपल देखें, एग्जांपल इट इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री, दैट मींस व्हाट 210 डिग्री is a reflex angle, 200 is a reflex angle, 300 degree is also a reflex angle, 309 is also reflex angle, or 350 is also a reflex angle. So how this reflex angle looks like? Reflex angle looks like this. This is angle. यहाँ पे straight angle होता है, तो यहाँ पे हमने ये angle कंसीडर करना है बाहर की साइड वाला, मतलब this side angle. We are not considering this angle, we are considering from this side. So when we consider, suppose this dotted line indicates that straight line. This dotted line is a straight line, but more than dotted line, that means more than straight line, that angle is indicates as a reflex angle. Another example, suppose this one, this angle is called as a reflex angle. So reflex angle looks like this. Now there is a technique to measure this angle by using the projector. That technique we will learn afterwards. So this is called as a reflex angle. So reflex angle means what? An angle of measuring between 180 degree and 360 degree. More than 180 degree, less than 360 degree, that angle is called as reflex angle. And the last one type is called as a complete angle. Complete angle. Its definition is that an angle of measuring exactly 360 degree. So complete angle मतलब नाम है complete angle. Complete angle मतलब ऐसा एंगल जिस एंगल का मेजरमेंट एग्जैक्टली 360 डिग्री होता है, उसका मेजर किया तो वो कंप्लीट 360 डिग्री एंगल होता है, उसे कहते हैं complete angle. उसका मेजरमेंट होता है 360 डिग्री. So how this angle looks like? This angle looks like this. This is angle. Suppose this is a ray AB. Okay, and this ray, suppose हमने यहाँ से घुमा के इधर लेके आए, तो मतलब उसका जो C पॉइंट है, एंगल ABC, all both the points are lying on both the rays lying on each other. But what I told 0 degree, ये अभी 0 degree है, लेकिन हमने इसको ऐसा arrow दिखाया. When we indicate this sign or when we indicate this line, that line indicate that this is a whole angle. So that complete angle, that is called as a complete angle, and that angle's measurement is 360 degree. So that is called as complete angle. So one thing you keep it in mind, 0 degree angle, this is called as 0 degree angle. Suppose A, B and C. This is a 0 angle. अगर हमने इसको ऐसे लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ की तो होता है 0 degree angle. This is a 0 degree angle and this is a complete angle. Okay, now we will see these types by using using the sticks. Now suppose consider this is one ray and this is another ray, and when we hold this ray at one point, it forms the angle. Okay, now we will see the each and every type. Now see, when both the rays are on at one point or they are lying on each other, this is called as 0 angle. This is called as a 0 angle. Now when we move one ray, this is called as acute angle. It starts making acute angle because its measurement is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. That's why this is acute angle. This angle is called as acute angle. Now when we make it straight, when this second stick is straight, then we can see that this is a straight. So this measurement is 90 degree. That is called as a right angle. Right? Now after the right angle, when we move more than, now suppose this angle is more than 90 degree, this is called as a obtuse angle. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And when it becomes straight, that measurement of this angle is 180 degree. That's why it's called as a straight angle. This measurement is 180 degree. So this is a straight line or straight angle. Measurement is 180 degree. Now after the 180, so this angle, this upper side, this angle is called as reflex angle because it is more than 180 degree. This angle is more than 180 degree. So this is called as a reflex angle. More than 180 degree is called as reflex angle. Then again we move further to the second ray, and this is also reflex angle. When we consider at this point, this is also reflex angle. At this point is a reflex angle, this one. And when we move on each other and there is angle, this angle, when we are measuring this angle, then this is called as a complete angle. Okay, understood. Okay, after this point, again there are some other points, other types are also there, but that types are not included in that type. That we will study another types, that is a complementary angle. That is concept, complementary angle. So what is meant by the complementary angle? This is also important point for all the classes, 5th and above, all the classes. This is important point. So complementary angle. So what is meant by complementary angle? The definition of this angle is that when sum of two angle is 90 degree. Sum of two angle is 90 degree. Then that angles are called as a complementary angle. That means what? दो एंगल को मिला के अगर एडिशन 90 डिग्री आती है तो उसे कहते हैं complementary angle. Suppose for example सपोज एंगल 10 डिग्री है, 10 डिग्री, उसमें हमने अगर 80 डिग्री ऐड किया, then we will get addition 90. That means what? 10 degree and 80 degree are complementary angle. Suppose we have to find out, suppose 70 degree plus something that I remain the blocks and is equal to 90 degree. That means what? What should we add to 70? So we will get 90. The answer is 20. That means what? 20 and 70 are complementary angle. Sometimes you may have a question. What is a complementary angle of 60? 60 का complementary angle क्या होगा? 30. What is the complementary angle of 25? What is the complementary angle of 25? 25 का complementary angle होगा 65 degree because उन दोनों की addition क्या आती है? 90 degree आती है. So this is called as a complementary angle. Sometimes question may like this. What is the complementary angle of 1 degree? 1 degree का complementary angle होगा 89 degree क्योंकि उन दोनों की addition 90 degree आनी चाहिए. So that is called as a complementary angle. The next type is a supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Now, supplementary angle means what? Sum of two angles is 180 degree. Complementary angle means sum उसकी 90 आनी चाहिए. Supplementary angle means दो एंगल के एडिशन, सम मींस एडिशन, दो एंगल के एडिशन 180 डिग्री आनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज व्हेन वी कंसीडर 20 डिग्री, so what we should add to 20 degree, so we will get 180 degree. We have to add 160 degree, right? So 160 degree and 20 degree, these are supplementary angles of each other. They are supplementary angle. वो एक दोनों के supplementary angle because उन दोनों को ऐड करके क्या आता है? 180 आता है. Suppose another example, when we consider 150 degree, what will be the supplementary angle of 150 degree? 150 degree का supplementary angle क्या होगा? तो 150 का supplementary angle होगा 30 degree because by adding 30 degree to 150 degree we will get 180 degree. So that's why 150 degree and 30 degree are supplementary angle of each other. Understood? When sometimes question में like this, 10 है, उसका complementary angle क्या होगा? Complementary angle will be 80 degree. 10 का complementary angle 80 degree. And what will be the supplementary angle of this 10? Supplementary angle होगा 180 degree. Because supplementary मतलब उन दोनों के addition, 10 plus 180 90 degree and complementary means 90 चाहिए, 80 plus 10 90 degree. So this complementary means what? दो ऐसे एंगल उनके एडिशन 90 आनी चाहिए. Supplementary means what? Sum of two angles 180 degree. दो ऐसे एंगल उन दोनों के एडिशन 180. Their addition should be 180. That is called as supplementary. 90 degree addition is called as complementary. Okay. So in this session we have studied types of angle. In that types we have studied zero angle. I will show you. This is called as zero angle, acute angle, acute angle, acute angle. Straight is called as right angle. When they are more than right angle, more than 90 degree is called as obtuse angle. मतलब ये कुछ ऐसे होते हैं obtuse angle. Then again move to this word. This is a straight angle. Then above this is called as a reflex angle. Then when we close it, that is called as a complete angle. And after that we have studied complementary angle and supplementary angle. Like and subscribe this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.